welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain the introduction of chapter 4 quadratic equations. So, let us start the video. Here, the first definition is I am going to explain the quadratic polynomial. What is quadratic polynomial? Quadratic polynomial means a polynomial with the highest power of the variable 2. A polynomial with the highest power of the variable is 2. If for any quadratic polynomial, a polynomial with the highest power 2 of the variable is 2 is called quadratic polynomial. I am going to view an example here. Four x square plus 5x plus 3. This is an quadratic polynomial because in this polynomial the degree of the highest power is 2. So it is called a quadratic polynomial. After I am writing the general form of polynomial is the general form of polynomial is written as ax square plus bx plus c. This is the general form of the polynomial. Here in this one where a not equals to 0, a12 not equals to 0. Now here the examples of polynomial are 3x square plus 5x plus 2 x square minus 2x plus 4. These are can be noted as examples and so on etc. So these are the examples of the general form of quadratic polynomial. Now I am going to explain the what is the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. A quadratic equation is a second order equation, or it can be said as the quadratic equation is equals to 0. So I am writing here a quadratic equation is a second order equation. Second order equation. Or it a quadratic equation is noted as the second order equation, or it can be noted as the quadratic equation is equals to the 0. The quadratic equation is equals to 0. So it is written as the quadratic equation written as ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. It is noted as the ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now, for finding the zeros are roots for the quadratic equation, we have the normal procedure that we know finding factors or another method. I am writing here the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. If there is no possibility for finding the zeros of any quadratic equation, we have to find the zeros by this method. Means this formula x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. B square minus 4ac is called discriminant. So based on this we have these some sub equations. Let us see it. First one, if the value of discriminant is equals to 0, then means discriminant, what we thought the discriminant b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac equals to 0, then there are two equal roots, means there are two equal zeros. So I am writing here the quadratic equation will have two equal roots. Two equal roots. They are noted as minus b by 2a, comma minus b by 2a. These are the two roots that we get for the equation. If they said b square minus 4ac equals to 0, then we get minus b by 2a minus b by 2a. So this is the first one. Second one is if the value of discriminant less than 0. If the discriminant b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then b square minus 4ac less than 0, then the quadratic equation has no real roots, means they have no roots. The quadratic equation has no roots. So if the discriminant b square minus 4ac is less than 0 we got, then the quadratic equation has no roots. So third one is if the value of discriminant greater than 0. What is the discriminant? B square minus 4ac. This is the important ma. What is discriminant? B square minus 4ac greater than 0. Then the quadratic equation will have two real roots. Then the quadratic equation will have two real roots. Two real roots. So now we had completed the introduction, but I have to say you the one thing. That are the some important algebraic formulas. Here in the algebraic formulas, here the first formula is a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Second one, a minus b whole square equals to a square a square plus b square minus 2ab. After third one, a square minus b square. Then we got a plus b into a minus b. After fourth one is a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube means a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, or a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, means multiply the 3ab with the a plus b. Then we got a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. After fifth one is a minus b whole cube. We get a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Otherwise, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b minus into minus plus 3ab into b 3ab square. Understand? Now, sixth formula. A cube plus b cube equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. After seventh formula, a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Eighth one, a plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. These are the important formulas that we get in our exercises. Please write down it. So we had completed this video by explaining the introduction of the chapter 4 quadratic equations. So in next video I will explain the exercise 4.1. For more updates, please subscribe my channel. Please like and share my videos. Thanks for watching.